What's up and welcome back, it's DF Test Channel. Redmi K20 and Redmi K20 Pro yesterday launched in China, and both the phones offer pretty impressive specifications on paper. The Redmi K20 Pro and Redmi K20 both sport similar design, support dual SIM slots, nano, and an in-screen fingerprint scanner as well. The phones run on Android 9 Pie with MIUI 10 on top and sport a 6.39-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2340 pixels, screen with 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and 91.9% screen-to-body ratio. The Redmi K20 Pro comes with hardware DC dimming support, while the K20 variant lacks this support. The Redmi K20 Pro is powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC with 1 core clocked at 2.85 GHz, 3 cores at 2.42 GHz, and 4 at 1.8 GHz, coupled with Adreno 640 GPU. The Redmi K20, on the other hand, is powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 SoC. Both the phones offer up to 8 GB of RAM, and up to 256 GB of onboard storage. On the imaging front, Redmi has packed an AI-powered triple rear camera setup on the smartphones, which houses a 48-megapixel primary shooter with Sony IMX586 sensor and an f/1.75 lens, a 13-megapixel secondary shooter with a wide-angle lens, and a third 8-megapixel shooter with an f/2.4 lens. There is 20-megapixel pop-up selfie camera on board as well. Rear camera on the Redmi K20 Pro supports 60 fps and 30 fps 4K video shooting, while the K20 only supports 30 fps 4K video shooting. The Redmi K20 Pro comes with a 4,000 mAh battery with 27 watts fast charging, whereas the Redmi K20 comes with the same 4,000 mAh battery but offers up to 18 watts fast charging. Let's look. Xiaomi Mi 9 Explorer Edition vs Black Shark 2 vs Redmi K20 Pro. Mi 9 Explorer Edition and Redmi K20 Carbon Black. Same color. How is look? Your wish, comment now. Like and subscribe my channel.